Well, I can't wait to see this train. Hi there. I'm doing Open BBE. Look at this train. What? Okay. Don't worry about it. Look at that train. Why are these there doing these stuff around the world? They are doing boring as hell.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is a Queens-bound G train. The next stop is Carroll Street. Staying clear of the closing doors.